Okay, well, technically, an action camera has its place. But if you're like me and only occasionally get in the water, not really doing any sort of deep diving or anything, then I think a waterproof pouch for your phone will do just fine. It's a lot cheaper and you'll still get the same effect. Let me tell you my experience. So someone actually just gave me this pouch and I completely forgot who it was, to be honest. But it has just been sitting in my room for the longest time. I'm going on a trip later this month and I found it while cleaning my room, so I thought to myself that I should just take it along with me because why not? But I had to test it first, right? So the next opportunity I had to go into the water, I brought it along with me. No paper towel testing to see if it would leak or anything. Well, I tried, but it didn't really work, so I just decided to risk it. And I'd say it went pretty well. No leaks, and I was able to take some pictures and videos, even edit a reel in the water. The touchscreen was pretty good as it's gonna get with a piece of plastic over the screen. Very surprised. I was able to use it quite easily after bringing it above the surface. I kept it submerged in my pocket for a few minutes at a time as well because I started getting tired of holding my phone and just wanted to swim around. Be careful though, because it could slip out and you'd never see your phone again that way. That's the thing though, I didn't trust the strap. It looked thin and maybe it could handle my phone, but I didn't want my $2,000 phone dangling on some cheap strap. But then again, I did put it in a cheap plastic pouch. That's besides the point. Maybe I'll get something a little stronger, but I think for the most part it's strong enough. So when I say you don't really need an action cam, it's if you use a camera in the same way that I do in the water. You don't really go diving and you just want something you can take with you in the water to capture some memories. Nothing fancy. And I needed something just like that. So spending a few bucks on a waterproof pouch isn't a bad idea. I'll leave a link to the one I have in the description if you're interested. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.